Okay, guys, so welcome everyone. Welcome to Sudaiva classes. Next lesson we are going to take, and name of the lesson is Last Leaf. Let's see what is last leaf and what information is given in this chapter. What this chapter tells us about. In the poorer parts of New York, there was a colony where many struggling artists lived. Among them were Sue and Chauncey. They had come to New York from different parts of the United States. When they met, they found that they shared the same interests and they became friends. They shared a flat and set a joint studio trying to earn a living through art. Getting, guys? Don't worry, I'll explain to you. Now, Jonesy was small, thin, and not very strong. After spending a few months in New York, she became ill with pneumonia. In those days, it was not easy to cure pneumonia patients. So P is silent here, it is pneumonia. Though Sue looked after her well, Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. One day, the doctor told Sue that Johnsy had one chance in 10. So she had one chance in 10. That is 10% of chances she had. And that chances is for her to want to leave. He said, your little lady has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. He told Sue that medicines alone did not help if the patient did not wish to live. जर पेशंटला जगायचं नसेल, पेशंटला जर इच्छा नसेल तर मेडिसिन्स मुळे काहीच होणार नाही. हो, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. So that day, Johnsy did lay in bed without making any sound or movement. First, Sue thought that she had fallen asleep, but she noticed that Johnsy was looking out of window and was counting something again and again in a very low voice, almost a whisper. तर एके रात्री असं वाटलं की जॉन्सी झोपली, परंतु जॉन्सी झोपली नव्हती. ती त्या खिडकीच्या बाहेर काहीतरी पाहत होती आणि काहीतरी मोजत होती हळू हळू हळू. बघा, दिसतं तुम्हाला? येस. सो Sue looked out of the window. तिने पण बघितलं बाहेर काय आहे ते. त्याने बघूया कोण येतो. But there was nothing to see. Only an old ivy vine gnarled and decayed at the root, climbed halfway up to the brick wall. एक छोटं झाड होतं, एक आणि काय होतं? The cold breath of autumn had taken away most of the leaves. Only the skeleton branches were left, clinging to the brick. What is it, dear? asked Sue. 6, said Johnson. They are falling faster now. पानं पटकन ती पानं काय झालेली आहे तर गळत चाललेली आहे. They are falling faster now. These days, there were almost 100. 100च्या वर पानं गळत झालेली आहेत. आणि तसंच माझं आयुष्य आहे असं तिला वाटत असावं. So she might be thinking that same way her life is also decreasing day by day. It made my head ache to count them, but now it's easy. There goes another one. There's only 5 left now. 5 what dear leaves on the ivy vine. When the last leaf falls, I must go. जे शेवटचं पान गळलं की मी सुद्धा जाणार, मी सुद्धा मरणार असं तिला वाटत होतं. I have known that for 3 days. Didn't the doctor tell you? डॉक्टर सांगितलं नाही का तुला? Oh, I never heard of such nonsense. काहीतरी म्हणते मूर्खपणासारखं. Said, what was old ivy leaves to do with you getting well? And you used to love that wine. Don't be silly. The doctor said that you had excellent chances of getting well. Take some broth now, औषध घे, and let me get back to my work. मला माझ्या कामाला जाऊ दे. But Johnsy just kept looking out of the window. There goes another. No, I don't want any broth. That leaves just 4. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I'll go too. बरोबर? मला काहीच नको, औषध नको, मला सुद्धा मरायचं आहे आणि मरायच्या आधी मला ते शेवटचं पान गळलेलं पाहिजे. Johnsy said, Will you promise me to keep your eyes closed and not look out of the window until I am done walking? I must hand those drawings in tomorrow. I need the light. Otherwise, I would have closed the window. I don't want you to keep looking at those silly ivy leaves. तो म्हणतो की मला माझं काम पूर्ण करून जायचं आहे म्हणून मी खिडकी उघडी ठेवली नाही तर खिडकी बंद केलेली असती. Tell me as soon as you have finished. Okay, तोपर्यंत डोळे बंद करून ठेवतो. Closing her eyes because I want to see the last one fall. शेवटचं पान सुद्धा गळताना मला पाहायचं आहे. किती वेळ तुझं काम आहे? झोपी जा बरं. ओरडायला लागलं तुझं. Okay. Try to sleep, said Sue. I must call Herman up to be my model for the old man that I'm drawing. Not be, I'll not be gone a minute. Old Bayram was a painter. He was a painter who lived on the ground floor, but he was a failure in art. For 40 years, he had wielded the brush but had not made any money. He had been always about to paint a masterpiece, but had never yet begun it. For several years, he had only made a few paintings. He earned a little by serving as a model to the young artists in the colony who could not afford other models. He always talked about his coming masterpiece. Right? Who was that? That was the old Burman. She told Berman about the Johnson's fancy. Old Berman was shocked that anyone could have such idiotic imagination. परत तो म्हणतात असं कसं असतं रे बाळांनो अशी idiotic असं मूर्खपणाचं ती सर्व काही मूर्खपणाने काय करते कल्पना करत आहे. What he cried, are these people in the world foolish enough to die because of leaves dropping? अरे पानं गळतं म्हणजे आपण मरणार का? सांगा बरं नाही ना. Okay, from a wine, I have heard. Okay, I have not heard of such things. Why did you allow this thought to enter her brain? तिच्या मनामध्ये, तिच्या मेंदूमध्ये, तिच्या बुद्धीमध्ये अशा गोष्टी येऊच कशा शकतात? तुम्ही कसं काय अलाउड करता त्या गोष्टीला? She is very ill and weak, said Sue. The fever has made her mind full of fancies. ताप आलेला आहे, न्यूमोनिया झाला त्यामुळे अशा गोष्टी येतच राहतात तिच्या मनामध्ये. This place is not good for Miss Johnsy. Someday I'll paint a masterpiece and we shall all go away. Yes, said Vernon. Johnsy was sleeping when the two went upstairs. Sue showed Berman the ivy vine that Johnsy saw through the window. कोणतं झाड पाहिलं होतं, कोणती वेल पाहिली होती ते त्याने दाखवलं. जॉन्सी झोपी गेली होती एवढ्या वेळ. They looked at each other for a moment without speaking and they began their work. Outside, a cold rain was falling continuously mingled with snow. Sue closed the window. Next morning, when Sue woke up, she found that John C. was staring at the window, at the closed window again with dull white open eyes. Open the window, I want to see. बरोबर दुसऱ्या दिवशी सकाळी सकाळी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दुसऱ्या सकाळी सकाळी जॉन सी म्हणले खिडकी वगैरे मला बघायचंय पान आहे की नाही गळलंय की काय. But lo, even after the rain, पाऊस पडल्यानंतर सुद्धा and the fierce wind that blew throughout the night, there yet stood again the brick wall, one I believe. एक पान त्या ठिकाणी होतं. एवढा पाऊस आला, पाऊस चालू होता. तिथं बर्फ पडत होते, पान त्या ठिकाणीच होतं. It was the last of the vine. त्या वेलीवर असणारं ते शेवटचं पान होतं. Still dark green near its stem, but with its edges tinted with yellow, it hung bravely from the branch some 20 feet above the ground. It is the last one, said Johnsy. I thought it would surely fall during the night. I heard the wind. It will fall today and I shall die at the same time. मला वाटलं ते पान पळलेलं असेल पण असं वाटतं की आता ते नाही जेव्हा ते पान गळेल तेव्हा मी सुद्धा मरणार. Johnsy was preparing herself for the last journey that one makes alone. The feeling was very strong within her. The ties of Sue's friendship and other things on the earth became loose one by one. हळूहळू मैत्री सुद्धा कमी कमी होत चालली. The day wore away, but even though the twilight म्हणजे काय रे, संधी प्रकाश, लक्षात घ्या. टॉयलेटचा संधी प्रकाश म्हणजे काय बघा, soon after sunset but before it is dark. सूर्य मावळल्यानंतर आणि अजून अंधार व्हायचा असतो त्यावेळेस जो प्रकाश असतो त्याला ट्वायलाइट म्हणतात. दॅट लाईट इज नोन एज ट्वायलाइट. देयर इज अ मूवी ऑल्सो, मूवी नाही त्याची एक सिरीज आहे मूवीची ऑल्सो ट्वायलाइटची. एनिवेज, नेक्स्ट डे when it was light enough, जॉन्सी asked शिव to open window. The ivy leaf was still there. ते पान तिथे होतं दुसऱ्या दिवशी सुद्धा, म्हणजे तिसऱ्या दिवशी. तर तेव्हा त्या ठिकाणी होता. बघा दिसत तुम्हाला. Yes, so the leaf was there. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at it. Then she calls you, so dear, I have been a bad girl. Something has made a last leaf stay there to show me how wicked I was. It is sin to want to die. आता ती म्हणली की नाही नाही, मरणं हे पाप आहे. स्वतःहून मरायचा विचार करणं सीन सीन म्हणजे काय, पाप आहे. तर मी किती मूर्ख आहे, मी किती मूर्ख मुलगी आहे, किती चुकीची मुलगी, मी चुकीचं वागते. असं नाही, ते पान तिथे आहे म्हणजे ते मला दाखवतं की मी सुद्धा जगू शकते. आय कॅन ऑल्सो लिव्ह. आफ्टर दॅट शी वॉज रेडी टू टेक द ब्रॉथ. नंतर तिने औषध घ्यायला सुरुवात केली. मिल्क अँड milk that she bought her. She wanted to sit up in the bed. Someday, I hope to paint a bay of Naples. Mr. Behram downstairs was now ill with pneumonia. The sweeper had found him lying helpless in the room in very wet clothes and shoes. He also found some scattered brushes and a palette with green and yellow colors mixed on it. 2 days later, Mr. Behram died in a hospital. आता काय झालं बघा, मिस्टर बेहरामला काय झालं, न्यूमोनिया झाला होता. त्याचा जो काही झाडू मारणारा जो व्यक्ती होता त्याने बघितलं त्या ठिकाणी की तो कुठेतरी बाहेर गेला होता. त्याचे कपडे ओले होते, शूज ओले होते आणि त्याच्या हातात ब्रशेस वगैरे होते आणि कोणता कलर होता, ग्रीन आणि येलो कलर होता. द लास्ट आय आणि तो नंतर मेला बिचारा, हॉस्पिटलमध्ये मेला. आता तुम्हाला एक अंदाज या ठिकाणी येत असेल, आपलं समज मी आ रहा होगा की दिस मिस्टर बेहराम जो होता ना, ज्याला मास्टरपीस बनवायचा होता, दॅट वॉज द मास्टरपीस ही मेड. द लास्ट आयवी लीफ वॉज स्टिल देअर ऑन द वॉल. It never fluttered or moved when the wind blew. It was Behram's masterpiece. He had painted it there that night when the last leaf had already fallen. ते पान ऑलरेडी गळलं होतं पण त्याने असं काही चित्र बनवलं ते हुबेहूब ऍक्च्युअल रिअल वाटत होतं, ज्यामुळे जॉन्सी वाचली. बघा जॉन्सी वाचली, जॉन्सीला जीवनदान मिळालं. बट मिस्टर बेहरम त्या ठिकाणी मेला. मिस्टर बेहरम त्या ठिकाणी बिकॉज त्याला न्यूमोनिया झाला होता आणि तो रात्रभर त्या ठिकाणी काम करत असल्यामुळे त्या चित्रामध्ये त्याला न्यूमोनिया झाला. सो दिस इज द अडॅप्टेड फ्रॉम द लास्ट लीफ बाय ओ हेनरी. So what do you mean by struggling artists? So artists fighting with one another? No. Artists trying too hard to earn a living? Yes. Okay, so option number 2. Skeleton branches, bones branching off over joint? No. Leafy? No. So bare branches means skeletal branches. So wielded the brush means what? Painted skillfully. Right? Palette is what? It is a board used by artists to mix the color. आर्टिस्ट लोक बघा त्याचे कलर मिक्स करण्यासाठी याच्याकडे बोर्ड असतो, त्याच्यामध्ये असे गोल 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 असे हे असते बघा, ती पाहिलं असेल चित्रकाराकडे. दॅट इज अ पॅलेट. अँड व्हॉट इज अ मास्टरपीस? अ मास्टर हू प्रमोट्स पीस? नो. अ व्हेरी फर्स्ट क्रिएशन ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट? नो. An exceptionally beautiful work of art is known as masterpiece.